This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 113. Emotional waves. Why feelings move again. During long survival phases, emotions often become restricted. The nervous system prioritizes stability. Certain feelings are suppressed because they require energy. But when safety increases, the emotional system begins moving again. Feelings that were quiet may reappear. Sadness, relief, gratitude, anger. These emotional waves are not instability. They are movement. The nervous system is regaining flexibility. Emotion begins flowing instead of remaining frozen. This can feel intense at times, but biologically it signals something positive. The system is becoming more alive. Emotional movement is part of regulation. Next episode: how identity begins rebuilding after survival. Thank you.